Hello everyone, let's start this tutorial with the base makeup first. I'm going to apply this essence serum all over my face evenly. Because Yiren has a light skin tone color, so I'm going to apply the foundation, which is 2 shades lighter, onto my face by using a damp makeup blender. Next, I'm going to draw my brow. I will draw the outer line slightly curved like this to create a softer look. Next, to lighten the color, I'm going to apply a light brown eyebrow mascara on top of it. Next, I'm going to contour my nose with a shading powder. Yiren has a unique nose tip, so I'm gonna try to make my nose look similar. And also I have to cover my chubby cheeks with the shading powder as well to make it look slimmer. Moving on to the eye makeup, let's start with the base eyeshadow first. I'm gonna apply this coral color all over my eyelids by using a big eyeshadow brush. And then I'm gonna apply the shimmery dark salmon color onto my upper and lower lid. Next, I'm gonna apply a medium brown color onto the mobile lid. And then I'm gonna line my eyes with a dark brown liquid eyeliner. After that, I'm gonna take dark brown eyeshadow and apply it onto the other wing to soften the line. And also apply it onto the other corner like this. I'm going to apply it onto my eyelid as well because I want to make my eyelid look longer, like this. Because I want to recreate the stage look, so I'm gonna add a little bit sparkle onto the eye makeup. Next, apply the mascara. And apply the falsies. I'm gonna stick some small eye jewels above the wing like this as the last touch for the eye makeup. Next, I'm gonna apply a light pink blusher onto the apple of my cheeks a little bit. And then I'm gonna apply a red lipstick all over my lips. After that, I'm gonna apply a lip glow on top of it to make plumper lips. And use a Q-tip to soften the outer line. And the makeup is done. This is the finished look. If you like this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up. And thank you for watching. Bye!